Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x value. Solution: 8 power x times 8 power x equal to 80. Now we are going to implement this express identity here. A power m times a power n equal to a power m plus n. So we are going to implement this here. So we'll get 8 power x plus x equal to 80. Now this 8 power x plus x is 2x equal to 80. Now we are going to take a log on both sides. Log 8 power 2x equal to log 80. Now we are going to implement this log power formula here. So we'll get log a power b equal to b log a. This formula we are going to implement here. 2x log 8 equal to log 80. Now we are going to divide by log 8 on both sides. Log 8 here, here log 8. Now this log 8 cancels this log 8. So we have 2x equal to log 80 by log 8. Now this 80 can be written as 16 times of 5. So we are going to implement this here. 2x equal to log 16 times 5 by log 8. Now 2x equal to log 16 times 5 by log 8. Now we are going to implement log product formula here. So we'll get log AB equal to log a plus log b. This we are going to implement here. So we'll get 2x equal to log 16 plus log 5 by log 8. Now this can be written as 2x equal to log here 2 power 4 by log 8 can be written as 2 power 3 plus log 5 by log again 8 can be written as 2 power 3. Now we are going to implement log power formula. So this 3 comes here. So 2x equal to 4 log 2 by 3 log 2 plus log 5 by 3 log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this log 2. We have 2x equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 by log 2. Now we are going to implement this log formula, that is log a by log b equal to log a base b. 2x equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 base 2. Now this can be written as 2x equal to 4 plus log 5 base 2 whole divided by 3. Now we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. So here 1 by 2. Now this 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to 4 plus log 5 base 2 whole divided by 3 times 2 is 6. This is the x value. Now verify with the equation that 8 power x times 8 power x equal to 80. Now this can be written as 8 power 2x equal to 80. Now 8 power 2 times of this x we are going to implement here. So 4 plus log 5 base 2 whole divided by 6 equal to 80. Now this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power this 2 open bracket 4 plus log 5 base 2 whole divided by 6 equal to 80. Now 2 power 6 open bracket 4 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 6 equal to 80. Now this 6 cancels each other. We have 2 power 4 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Now we know this formula that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This we are going to implement here. So 2 power 4 times 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 80. This 2 power 4 is 16 times of 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Now this is we are going to implement here a power log b base a equal to b. This we are going to implement here. So 16 times of this is 5 equal to 80. Now 16 times of 5 is 80 equal to 80. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching with this video.